All right, number 1. And I'm going to try to write with a marker so it'll show appropriate. All right, solve. All right, Jay would know how to do this. What do we do, Jay? Distribute. Very good.
Sweet.
All right, we need to get the x's on one side. Oh, it's going to work. Minus 4x, minus 4x. We'll add the 1 over. So we got 0 equals negative 1. When is that true?
No solution.
Never.
No solution, right? Questions on number 1? All right, number 2. All right, distribute first. Combine some like terms. 5x minus 11 equals 5x minus 11. Subtract 5x to both sides. We end up with negative 11 equals negative 11. When's that true?
Always.
Always, right? Infinite solutions.
That would be all real numbers.
Infinite number of solutions would be more appropriate. Questions on that? Okay,
Wait,
number
Mr.
3.
Brown?
Yes, sir.
So like you just keep, like, do you have to add plus 11 to it? Or
If you want to, you can add plus 11 to both sides, you end up with 0 equals 0,
So-
right? As long as you get the same number equals the same number, it's infinite solutions.
Okay.
Stop at 5x minus 11.
Absolutely, because you understand what's going on. Sure. Okay? All right. Number 3. All right, distribute first. 32x plus 64. Add 2x over minus 64. So we end up with 34x is greater than or equal to negative 34. We divide by 34. X is greater than or equal to negative 1. Questions? Number 4. Solve and graph the solution. Distribute. Get the x's on one side. Negative 3x less than 0. Divide by negative 3. X is greater than 0. Make sure you flip the sign because you divide by negative. And if we graph this, there's only one variable, so we'll just be on a number line. What kind of circle would I use?
Open.
Open circle, which way would it go?
Right.
To the right. If it was interval notation, it would be 0 to infinity, not including the 0.
Who's what?
Interval notation.
Oh, okay.
So this, you could see the answer like this, you could see it on a number line, or you could see it in interval notation. Questions on that? All right, number 5. Right. Solve each equation individually. I'll distribute first. Combine some like terms. Get the x's on one side. Negative 6x greater than 12. Divide by negative 6. X is going to be less than negative 2. Don't forget to flip the sign. Or distribute. Combine like terms. Thank you. So it'd be 28. X is greater than 4. It's or, so I need all the answers. So if I put it on a number line, negative 2, 4, open circle, less than, open circle, greater than. And then if it was interval notation, it would be negative infinity up to negative 2, union, 4 to infinity. Not including the 2 or negative 2 or the 4. Questions on number 5? Hold on. Questions on number 5? No questions? Okay.